Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can group components in screens in the Uizard prototype designer. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your screen of the given app prototype, and then guys, what you need to do is switch from the pen tool to the select tool here at the top. Left click into the first object, press and hold left shift. Left click into the second object. Now both are connected or highlighted. You can of course group more of these objects, so let me also left click into this one here while pressing and holding left shift. After that, expand or click into the design tab, scroll at the very bottom, and you will see this option group here if needed. Expand it here to group these three components into one. So now guys, as you can see, that's a group, and you may ungroup them by clicking into this button. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.